How to use Suncorp Disability Insurance Australia properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Suncorp Disability Insurance in Australia is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet many people make costly mistakes that reduce coverage or even risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. One common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some Suncorp policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you with partial or no benefits. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods increase premiums but provide faster support. Aligning this with your savings and monthly expenses is crucial. Underestimating your benefit amount is also a big trap. Your coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Opting for a lower benefit may seem affordable, but could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Ignoring optional riders is another mistake. Suncorp offers riders like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Skipping these features can reduce long-term protection and flexibility. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. Suncorp requires full transparency during both application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details can delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Suncorp Disability Insurance Australia can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.